Today we're going to show you around the Holiday Inn in South Normanton, Derbyshire. It's just off junction 28 of the M1 motorway. So here we are in the room. This is an executive room. I'm going to show you around the room. So there's a quick shot of the bedroom, and let's just take you back to the door where we've just come through. So that's the door. I'll just show you where we are on the chart. We're in one of the furthest parts of the hotel from the reception area here in South Normanton at the Holiday Inn. So in this room, the executive rooms, you get some, on the very top shelf there you can see 2 pairs of slippers, and then there's also 2 dressing gowns there as well, so you can make the use of those if you wanted to whilst you're here. You also have an ironing board in the room, kept nice and tidy in that small part of the wardrobe there, and also an iron. And then you've got this wardrobes with some hanging space, and a couple of hangers there, 2 or 3 hangers. And then on the top shelf you've got additional towels for the second person, with one bath towel, 1 hand towel in the bathroom. And then you've got space here to hang your jackets, and a little seat there as well, and a stool underneath. And then as we go around to have a look into the bathroom, you've got a nice, step back a bit so you can see it better. You've got your toilet there, and you've got a nice walk-in shower. And then you've also got 3 products on there. So you've got the hand and body cleanser, you've got conditioner for hair, and also the shampoo there as well. Really good to see a hotel that's using reusable bottles and not wasting lots of plastics. So shower there and a separate attachment, and the controls just there. It's a nice large shower area, and the finish to the bathroom is really nice as well. Renovated quite a few years ago now, probably about 5-6 years ago, and still looking really good. Nice large mirror, as you can see. And then looking down here, a couple of glasses, some tissues, and some bits of information there about your towels, to put them in the shower if you want them replacing, or hang them up if you're happy to use them for another day. Decent sized sink, and again you've got some soap there, and some body balm, towel radiator, and then just down here there's your towel, spare loo roll, a bin, and a mat to go in the bottom of the shower, non-slip mat. So that's your bathroom here at the Holiday Inn South Normanton, located just off the M1 motorway, junction 28, so really handy. Also at the moment they're just in the process of having some electric car charging points installed. So by the time you've watched this video, if you do find your way over here, then they should be ready for the start of 2024 or thereabouts. So on the side here you've got the kettle and a couple of mugs, and in there you've got a Biscoff biscuit and some milk, tea bags and some coffee. And then here we've got a couple of glasses, and because it's an executive room, you get some snacks included as well, free of charge. So a bag of crisps there that you can see on the side. And then if we look into this cupboard unit, on the left hand side there's a fridge, and in that fridge, again at this hotel, with it being an executive room, you do get some free cans of pop and some water. And then in this one there's a little Kit Kat, and that's all included in the price, with it being an executive room. In the right hand side of the cupboard you've got a safe, and this is quite a decent size large safe. Quite often in the hotels you get them quite small and you struggle to fit your laptop in, but here they're nice and big. So looking around the bedroom then, there's a couple of pictures just there, and then decent sized television. And then you've got your work desk, which has got a telephone on there for you to use. Plenty of space for a laptop. Got a reading lamp there, and a nice little chair there. And as we carry on round, you've got the curtains to the window. The view in this room is pretty much looking over to the motorway, so you wouldn't spend too much time. I was looking out the window, but yeah, it overlooks the motorway. You can hear the traffic noise a little bit, but it's more background noise. Not the sort of sound that will keep you awake at night by a long shot or anything like that. It's nice and quiet and in the distance. So decent sized bed. Overall nice room, and the facilities here are good as well, as you'll see. A decent bar and restaurant area, and they've got a swimming pool as well, and a little gym as well. Everything you need really for when you're working away and you just need something to do in an evening or get a bite to eat. And then again on this side of the bed, you've got twin sockets with USB, a couple of switches, reading lamps, a little drawer, and then some hanging lights, nice long mirror, and then a chair and a little coffee table. So that's the executive room here at the Holiday Inn at South Normanton, just off junction 28 of the M1. So in the public areas there's a nice bar area with plenty of seating to sit and have a drink, or if you want more casual dining you can have some food there, the menus on the tables. And then they do a really good breakfast, a decent spread there for the cooked buffet breakfast. Also chilled drinks and some toast, and coffee machines located elsewhere as well in there. And the tables and chairs all look pretty great and quite modern. So here's Kev's full English that he chose himself. All looks pretty nice. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. We find here at the Holiday Inn that the staff are always really good. Service is really consistent as well. So we hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you've got any comments, do leave them below.